Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream in a bag. And this was included in our June Summer Reading Club kits for kids and teens, so it'll look like this. So that recipe's in there for you. All you need is a cup of heavy cream, a half a cup of milk, a third a cup of sugar, a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2.5 pounds of ice cubes, which you may not use all of, and 2.5 pounds of salt, which you may not use all of. And then you will need a quart-size Ziploc bag and a gallon Ziploc bag. I don't have a normal Ziploc bag, I have a reusable one, so I'm hoping that'll work. But that's all you need, and then whatever kitchen utensils. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna add our cup of milk, or half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of milk, our third a cup of sugar, and then our fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla. And that'll all go in one bowl together. And then we are gonna whisk that up till all the sugar is dissolved. And then once this is all mixed, we're gonna add this to the quart-size bag. All right, so we're gonna pour that into our baggie. I'll spare you guys from seeing how terrible of a job I do. Actually did pretty good. And then you're gonna try to squeeze out as much air as you can. It's kind of hard because there is liquid in there, but try to get out as much air as you can. So it'll look like that. And then you're gonna put the ice in a big bowl. I have mine there. And then you're gonna put the salt on it. Again, you may not use all of it. Use the other side. And you're gonna kind of just mix that all together. Add a little bit more salt. All right, so that is all mixed. And then now we are going to put the quart-size bag. Let's see, make sure I'm doing this right. Oh, so you're gonna put some ice in the gallon-size bag first in the bottom. And then, so it'll be like this. And then you're gonna add your bag of your mixture in there along with it. And then you're gonna surround it, the rest of it, with the ice and the salt. And then you're gonna seal that all up. I'm gonna warn you guys, this is gonna be an arm workout because you have to shake it for 10 minutes. So it will look like that once you have it all in there. And then I'm gonna start shaking it, and then I will show you whenever it's done. All right guys, so I'm done shaking my bag for 10 minutes. I will tell you that the bag got super cold, so I ended up grabbing a towel so I could keep shaking it. And then I moved on to wearing oven mitts and my arms are super tired. I think I could probably even keep shaking it for a little bit longer, but I'm tired and I don't want to shake anymore. And then once you're done shaking it, you're gonna actually leave it in the bag with the ice, and you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and just let it rest for a little bit. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and take it out and serve it immediately. So here's mine. So mine's a little bit probably runnier than most people like, but I'm fine with that. But so you can keep shaking it and it'll be a lot more thick and won't be as liquidy. But I'm good with that. And so I'm gonna put this in a bowl and try not to get it everywhere. This one almost feels like kind of like a milkshake texture consistency to me. which I'm a fan of. So, and then you can add whatever toppings you want. So I have little mini chocolate chips that I'm gonna add to mine. Could do Cool Whip, you could do fresh fruit, you could add chocolate and caramel, all sorts of stuff. So, but that is how you make ice cream in a bag. I would love to know if you guys make it, how it goes for you, if it's a success or not, or if you have a better version of how to make ice cream in a bag, we'd love to hear it. Or if you have cool combinations that you add with your ice cream, we'd love to hear that too. All right, thank you guys.